Kodwa sila sizoncenga uhulumeni ukuthi asenze priority ezweni lethu. Ama-voters.
Pretoria, the administrative capital of South Africa, has woken up. The streets of the Jacaranda city are no longer quiet, and the people are no longer waiting for permission to be heard. Today, we are breaking down the March and March movement hitting Tshwane with Jacinta, Ngizwe Mchunu, and the Zulu warrior Phakile Mthakathi, all showing up and showing out. Stay with me, this is big. Phakile Mthakathi and Ngizwe Mchunu touched down in Pretoria, and they didn't come to sit on the sidelines. These are names that carry weight in the conversation around South Africa's sovereignty and community protection, and their arrival at the March and March event sent a clear message. This movement has national reach. The people of Pretoria have stopped sleeping. They have taken over their own capital city. And if there's any city in this country that should be the safest, the most secured, the most protected, it is this one. The seat of government, the home of the union buildings. Let that sink in. Before she even got on the podium, Jacinta was already making the rounds. She spoke to various media houses, putting her position on record, clearly, directly, and without apology. This is someone who understands that the battle isn't only fought on the streets. It's fought in the headlines, in the sound bites, in every camera that's pointed at this movement. And she used each and every single one of them.
Ukuthi ungaphumi kwami ngenzela laba engisebenza nabo bayazi ke nabo nginenkani ke mina uthatha isikhathi isikhathi ukuthi bavuma ukuthi ngingezi bangivalelile benza sure ukuthi angiphumi ngoba angi understand lento ukuthi ngizosaba amakwerekwere mina eSouth Africa kodwa nayi iphathi engifuna ni report sila eSouth Africa namhlanje nawo abantu base South Africa abanye sebehambile sebephungukile sino mayors no MECs no premiers no ministers no president abantu base South Africa bakhala ngezinto ezenzeka la emgwaqeni ngicela ukubuza kubo bonke labantu bake bahamba bona la kulomgwaqo lo if bengakaze behambe ngikhipha I challenge to every single South African leader, whether a politician, whether a minister noma ngabe ukuphi position of power, ngicela nje usuku olodwa indulge us as South Africans because ngicela oyedwa nje ama politicians uzothatha le challenge shimoto yakho shiya amagadi uhambe la. Not just la, every single town that is in South Africa. You say Cape Town, ngeke ungayithola indawo enje. Wonke ama CBD ethabolile, they are rotten. Ingane zethu ayikwazi ngisho ukuhamba la isayazi ijoy mina ade ngisho ngithi sayingane thina sasijabulela ukuthi makuvalwa izikole uze la e-workshop uzowalka nje ududumuzele ukuthi uyingane kumnandi impilo as a child. Ingane zethu ayisezi la e-workshop ngoba bayokhlala ugadile ukuthi ingane iphuma isikhatsini ilandwa ngasikhatsini ihamba nobani kanjalo kanjalo. Abantu bayajova la bayadragwa, nobody takes that seriously. To hayi abantu bayicreate istory. Nginabantu mina reference ababejova la. Befakwa ama drugs. Abantu bokufika banezitori, of course people who've got stories for days, but they don't get the airtime when ama foreign amangabe kuthiwa ayiqhobhekile la. Ngoba iforeign elodwa nje meliqhobhekile hayi South Africa yonke yami. Ukube lo muntu obeshawa lo muntu esifazane uTheresa lo ngekho namhlanje obeshawa lapha yashawa ama foreign abantu base South Africa bemboza kanje kuumuntu oyiforeign namhlanje ngabe phume ngisho upresident yebo ezoma la ezokhuluma ukuthi abantu base South Africa ba-wrong kangakanani. Nangu uTheresa ushawe phambi kwenu nibuka yonke umphakathi. You didn't do anything about it. So who is going to fight for South Africans? Amaphoyisa are not on our side. Aphuma mengabe ezogada ama foreign. Our politicians are not on our side. Some South Africans are definitely not on our side. So what do we do with the situation? Ngoba njalo masikhuluma lezi disitshela ukuthi umthetho uthi ngikhathi khona apartheid umthetho wawubheda, the people stood up, they rose and they fought against apartheid. Njengamanje sibona ngathi thina is oppressed lo mthetho wena omusha nesiniya wona. So what do you suggest we? Yilo mbuzo nje kuphela ngikubuzayo. Phela nje. Yabonga.
Sabonga. And then she got on the podium. Jacinta stood before a crowd of civic organizations and laid it out. Her frustrations, the frustrations of millions of South Africans about how this government continues to treat its own people as an afterthought, while the question of illegal immigration goes unanswered. She didn't sugarcoat it, she didn't soften it, and the crowd heard every word.
Akekho umuntu wase-South Africa la obhorekile ngoba sila. Kuya ngathi ngabe sihlalele ezweni lethu sa-enjoyela, sihamba sikhululekile, kodwa sila sizoncenga uhulumeni ukuthi asenze i-priority ezweni lethu.
Ama-voters
Sizoncenga, sizothi please prioritize us in our country. Sizoncenga sama-civic movement, lapha sewu-10 ama-civic movements akhona la. Abantu abaningi sebahambile bayolungisela imasha kusasa. But ngoba sila asifuni ukulwa nohulumeni wethu. Lento yokuthi nisibize ngoxenophobia, nisenze ama-vigilance, asihlanye emakhanda, sifundile. Nisibone nje sifundile saya esikoleni. Safika sathi sashaywa ngama-graduation, senza yonke into eyenziwa umuntu ofundile.
The convener of March and March in Pretoria also stepped up to address the gathered crowd. This is the organizational backbone of what you're seeing on these streets. The people who filed the paperwork, gave the notices, and made sure that this march happened legally and loudly. Their message to the government: we are not going away.
Commander's morning.
Morning.
Commander's morning.
Morning.
Commander's morning.
Morning.
Commander's morning. Some council in leadership. Some council in
Wasakatana.
Utayim kitchen nisile. Jabani ukuthi nomani ngweni uphansi council. So ikamalami ngusicelo ngalamlaba ngimila phezulu ngirepresenta iNEC ye-Operation Tutula. So see Operation Tutula without wasting any time, because as OMC and Sheila would just give us 1 minute. First of all, we would like to thank March and March and also leadership yonke March and March, especially the President March and March, August Jacinta, nabantu asebenzisana nabo ukuthi bahlele lendumezulu yale March. And I think ubumbano esilibonayo among ama-members wonke of different politics, I believe ukuthi sikhuluma izwi elilodwa lokuthi amakwerekwere awasithuthele abuyele emavuza. And siyazi futhi ukuthi kwabanye osisi kukhulu kunzima lokho esikushoyo ngoba abanye sebeshadile nalabafundi.
Bahambe nabo. Bathathe nengane zabo bahambe nabo.
Bahambe futhi sebazalele ingane.
Bahambe nabo sebaphela sebabonda lapho. Bangabuye eZimbabwe nomuntu oseZimbabwe siphalazele eZimbabwe
March somphakathi wonke wase-South Africa. Amakwerekwere asiwadingi, amakwerekwere asiwafuni, and ne-union building kufanele yazi ukuthi sizoqopha umlando wokuthi wazi ukuthi kusukela namhlanje into ethi ikwerekwere asidingi la eSouth Africa.
Now, Phakelo Mthakathi, the Zulu warrior, when he speaks on the matter of illegal immigration, he does not mince his words. He made his position abundantly clear to everyone in the crowd and everyone watching. There is a growing chorus of South African voices across cultures, across provinces, who are saying the same thing with increasing agency. Enough is enough. Phakela is part of the chorus, and his presence in Pretoria added serious weight to this march.
A meeting in the next 2 weeks. Let's have a meeting because we don't need leaders. We are leaders. We are men. We have a position, guys. We are men. We have an internal position of being a man in this country. So you don't need to put it position here politically to be a leader. As amadoda singabaholi kulelizwe, umholi wokuzalwa njengendoda and kufanele kumele ukudoda, and that's one thing that no one can take away from you. Indoda umholi asimeni kanjalo iyona into ezosilekelela. And we are not even fighting these leaders. We are helping them because they are sunk. You know, they are up to here. Yeah, they can't even move. So let us bail them out by doing the right thing. We are men. We have to stand up for this country. We are soldiers. We are police. We are everything.
Now let's talk about the other side of this conversation, because just the other day, President Ramaphosa weighed in on the matter of both legal and illegal immigrants in South Africa. Have a listen to what he had to say. We are going to let you hear it directly and draw your own conclusions, because the contrast between what is being said at the top and what is being felt on the ground could not be more stark.
To those who are here legally, respect us as South Africans, respect our laws, respect our conventions and our traditions, as you would want us to respect the laws and traditions of your own country. As a nation that defeated colonialism and apartheid through international solidarity, we carry a responsibility to advance constitutional values beyond our borders. So we then therefore say, yes, let us allow our laws to take their course. We have already set in place the way in which we will be able to deal with those who are in our country illegally. We remain committed to multilateralism, to respect for international law and principled diplomacy. International law was born from the devastation of global conflict. It is a shield for all countries in the world, regardless of their size or influence. True multilateralism demands respect for diversity while remaining firm in the core principles of sovereignty, of human rights, of freedom, of accountability, and peaceful coexistence.